Very good afternoon, students. So today we will do some extra questions based on area or word stories. Okay, and these types of questions we have already discussed in the in the work in mind. So let us do related to that some more questions. Okay, so you can see here our first question I have written. What is the area of a square piece of board of side 6 centimeter? How many square pieces of 2 centimeter can be cut from it? First of all, understand the question. In this question written that what is the area of the square piece board of side 6 centimeter? So first of all, we have to take out the area of the square board. Okay. Then written, how many square pieces of 2 centimeter can be cut from it? So how many of 2 centimeter squares you can cut from it? So for that, what you have to do, first of all we will take out the area of a square of the board. Or else we can see here. Here you can see that this is a large square and this is a smaller square of side 2 centimeter. That means we must know the area of this square also. Okay, smaller square and the bigger square. So we will write here area of the large square is equals to, you know that how to find out area of a square, that is side into side or length into length. We know that is 6 centimeter into 6 centimeter, that will be equals to 36 square centimeter. Okay, then we will find out the area of the smaller square, small square, that is equals to side into side, and here it is 2 centimeter. So you can take out 2 centimeter into 2 centimeter, that is equals to 4 square centimeter. So now what we have to find out here is how many square pieces, how many square pieces of like this you can take out from this whole piece, a whole square piece of board. Okay, so for this what you have to do, you have to find out the number of squares. Therefore, number of squares can be cut that is equals to number of small squares that can be cut, that is equals to, so to find out how many we can find out, we have to divide it. Okay, we will divide the area of the larger number by the area of the small square, so that we can find out how many number of squares we can cut it from. So that means 36 square centimeter divided by 4 square centimeter. So when you are doing this, square centimeter and square centimeters will remove from here. So to find out the number, just we have to do what we have to do. We have to just divide it and see 36 divided by 4, that is equals to, in 4's table 36 comes 9 times. So 9 small square pieces can be cut. Okay, from the square piece of board whose side is 6 cm. Okay students, hope all of you have understood how to find out this one. Now look at another question. The smaller rectangle, here written the smaller rectangle is removed from the larger one. What is the area of the remaining part? So you can see here, first triangle, this is the largest triangle and this is the smallest triangle, and whose dimensions are already given. The length is given and the breadth is given. So to find out, here written that the smaller rectangle is removed from the larger one. What is the area of the remaining part? That means from this larger one, this small rectangle will be removed. That means it will be cut off from there. That is the 2 meter and the 1 meter from it. So for this, what we must know, we must know the area of the largest rectangle and the area of the rectangle which we are going to remove from here, or we can say it at smaller rectangle. So we will find it now. Area of the larger rectangle is equals to area of the larger rectangle is equals to, you know that how to find out, that is length into breadth, 3 centimeter into 2 centimeter. That is equal to 3 2s are 6 square meter. Then we will take out the area of the smaller rectangle. Is length into breadth. Length is 3 meter. Length is 2 meter and breadth is 1 meter. So this is equals to 2 into 1, 2 square meter. Therefore, now what we have to take out, the area of the remaining part. So we will write here that the area left on removing the area left on removing the smaller rectangle is equals to this minus this we will do. This we are going to extract from here, minus 4 square meter. So this will be equals to 6 minus 4, 2. So 2 square meter will left after removing it. Okay. Sorry, rectify it here. Here it is 2. Smaller one it is 2 here. 2 square centimeter. Here we will get here 4 square meter. Okay, students. So on this you will have, I am going to give you same question related to it. Questions related to it, you try to solve by yourself. Okay, students. Now come to the question from the worksheet. That is, Mangboi owns a rectangular piece of land that is 100 meters in length and 50 meter in breadth. What is the area of his plot? So simply you have to find out area of this rectangular plot. Here you can see here rectangular plot whose length is 100 meter and breadth is 50 meter. So let us find out. Area of the rectangular land is equals to length into breadth, that is equals to 100 meter into 15 meter. So this will be equals to how much? This will be equals to 5 ones are 5 and 3 zeros will 5,000 square meter. So 5000 square meter is in total of the length. So in the next question, it has been given that it has been divided into, he decided to divide his land into 3 plots as shown. Okay, you can see here he decided to divide his plot into three plots. So we have to find out the area of each plot. Here you can see here one plot whose breadth he needs 20 meter. Okay, in the first plot he needs that their breadth should be 20 meter, and written that on the plot 2 the length of the plot will be 50 meter. So let us find out what are the length of the plots here. For this, what we have to see the dimension of the figure here. So here you can see that what will be the, then if here it has been written 20 meter breadth of plot 1, so what will be the plot 3 breadth here? To find out this, we know that this whole rectangular, this figure is a rectangle, and we know that opposite sides are equal. That means the total length of this is 50 meter. Yes or no? So from this 50 meter we will subtract this 20 meter. So we will get here that this dimension is, the dimension of plot 3 will be here, or the breadth of this will be 30 meter. Okay. So now we have taken out this one. Here written 50 meter. Length we know this rectangular is 100 meters, and 50 is the half of it. That means this plot will also have 50 meter length here. So this side also we have taken up this dimension. What else left? Now we know all the plots here. If this is 30, that means this is also 30, as this is a middle line of it. So let us take out here solution number B, 6B. The area of plot 1. I had not written the question number 1, as I am going to give you give along with your homework. So area of plot 1 is equals to, here the length of plot 1 is 100 meter. So you will write here 100 meter into breadth of plot 1. Breadth of plot 1 is 20 meter. So that you will write here 20 meter. So this will be equals to how much? 2 ones are 2, then 1000. 2000 square meter is the area of plot 1. So let us take out the area of the plot 2. If you will get confused about how to write, first of all, what you will do, first you write what is the length and the breadth, then you find out the area. So here area of plot 2. So plot 2, how much the area is? This is your, we have come to know that this is your 30 meter. This is your 30 meter and this is your 50 meter. So again, length into breadth you will do. That is equals to 30 meter into 50 meter. So this will be equals to 0, 5 3s are 15. 1500 square meter. And area of plot 3 is also same here as plot 2, you can see. So area of plot 3 will be again same, as both are having the same length and breadth, 30 meter. So it is 50 meter into 30 meter. Length is here 50 and breadth is 30. As you know that shorter side is your breadth and longer side is your length. This is square meter. So when you will add up this 3, you will get the total of this. 1500 plus 1500, 3000, 3000 plus 2000 square meter, that will be 5000 square meter. Okay students, so in this way, few more questions I am going to give you. Try to solve yourself. If you will be unable to, then we will discuss that in the tomorrow's Google Meet class. Okay students, all the best to you all. Thank you.